Hi, this is Greg from Greg's Space Shed. Welcome to my video, and this is for my transcription series. I'm going to play the full bass line note by note of I Saw Her Standing There by the Beatles. There'll also be some guitar backing and some drums with my playthrough, and I'll leave the guitar backing running afterwards so you can play along with it and use it as a sort of backing track. So the guitars were done by Matt Issac, so thanks for Matt, and I'll leave his details in the description of the video if you want to check out his other stuff. I've written out the bass line in full along with tabs, so if you want that, follow the link in the description, put your email address in and I'll send that to you. Now you may want to check out one of my other videos. It's number 27, it's called How to Read a Chord Chart. And in that I look at I Saw Her Standing There too, explain in a bit more detail actually how to play the bass line, and also show you how to read a chord chart. So this may be useful if you struggle to read music. Well, I hope you enjoy my playing. Remember to request the PDF, and if you haven't already then subscribe to my channel. I've got loads of videos coming onto there every Friday, so if you subscribe you'll get notified of this. Please like and share the video, and I love hearing your comments, so please feel free to leave one below. You can also check out my new website, which is gregsspaceshed.com. There's loads of information on there about what I do, there's new videos, and there's a products page where you can find out some information about my new ebook. So that's a beginner's ebook, and you can sign up to express an interest if you want to hear about any special offers about that when that comes out. Well, enjoy the video. This is Greg from Greg's Space Shed.
1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4.